Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ExpressVPN app security and DNS leak protection, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the ExpressVPN application on your device. Navigate to the settings menu within the app. Look for the section labeled Security or General. Tap on it to access the security options. Find the option for DNS leak protection. Ensure that this feature is enabled. If it is not enabled, toggle it to the on position. Next, locate the protocol settings within the same menu. Select a secure protocol, such as OpenVPN or IKF2. Verify that your preferred protocol is active. Return to the main settings menu. Now, check for any available updates for the application. If an update is available, select the option to update now. Wait for the update to download and install. Once the installation is complete, reopen the application. Revisit the security settings to confirm that DNS leak protection is still enabled. Conduct a DNS leak test to verify your protection. Visit a reliable DNS leak test website. Follow the instructions on the site to run the test. Review the results to ensure no leaks are detected. If everything is secure, you have successfully updated your ExpressVPN app security and DNS leak protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.